Why Freedom Motors? Freedom Motors is the original USA-based wheelchair accessible vehicle manufacturer. We have been family owned and operated since 1987. All of our parts and manufacturing are done here in the United States. Freedom Motors is the only retail manufacturer of the rear entry wheelchair accessible vehicle. With rear entry vehicles, you aren't confined to large handicap parking spaces and are maneuverable to park anywhere. Freedom Motors prides itself on maintaining the original equipment manufacturer's integrity. Little to no wiring is cut and replaced. The chassis main frame is not cut, and frame support is used during construction. Less intense and intrusive conversions help make our conversions more affordable. Our tubular frame acts like a backbone and has extreme durability. And our vehicles are much more quiet while on the roads and drive more smoothly with extra ground clearance. No weight is added to the vehicles with our conversions, compared to our competitors who add 300 to 400 pounds. This makes our conversions much more user-friendly. With our Sienna Hybrid conversion, we keep the battery in its original location, unlike our competitors. All of our conversion's moving pieces are hydraulic and not electric. This ensures your vehicle lasts longer, requires zero service, and is more reliable. Freedom Motors offers the widest ramps available, starting with our 48-inch super wide. This means plenty of room for easy access. We convert vehicles for non-emergency medical transport and commercial use. We offer the widest range of seating flexibility to ensure everyone is comfortable along the ride. In select vehicles, we offer power transfer driver seats, where the wheelchair user transfers from their wheelchair to the driver's seat and then transitions to the front row. Optional hand controls are also available. Freedom Motors offers the widest range of wheelchair accessible vehicles, from Kia Souls to Chevy Traverses to Toyota Sienna Hybrids. Our vehicles have never failed a crash test. All of our conversions are built to the highest quality. With our conversions, the OEM warranty remains intact. Along with our 36-month or 36,000-mile warranty, we guarantee that you will love your wheelchair accessible vehicle from Freedom Motors. Give us a call at 1-800-625-6335 or visit our website at www.freedommotors.com.